Good morning, children. Welcome to VIN. So, today we are beginning with a new chapter number 5 in the park. In the park. So, open page number 33 in your textbook. Listen to the video and follow it. So, let's begin the lesson in the park. It was a Sunday. Ria said, Daddy, today is Sunday. Shall we go out? Yes, Daddy, let's go to the park, Rahul shouted with joy. Soon, Ria, Rahul, and their parents left for the park. At the huge gate of the park, they found a balloon seller. He had a broad smile on his face. He had a bunch of balloons of different colors. Some balloons were big and some were small. There were many children around him. I want pink and yellow balloons, Ria screamed with joy. And for me, blue and red, said Rahul. Daddy bought them the balloons. They all entered the park. Yes. So, children, it was a Sunday. Sunday in the sense, it was a holiday, isn't it? So, Ria said to Daddy, today is a Sunday. So, shall we all go outside? Suddenly, Rahul shouted with full of full of joy. He says, yes, Daddy. So, today is Sunday. Let's go to park. And soon, Ria, Rahul and parents, they went to park. Children, have you visited the park? Yes, isn't it? Everybody have visited the park. Isn't it? One or the other park you have been visited. So, have you seen the entrance of the park? The gate? Is it a smaller one? No, right? So, have you seen the JP Park or Lal Bagh? You have seen the gate? It will be a huge, right? And outside, many sellers will be standing there, isn't it? Here also, where Ria, Rahul and parents, they went to the park and there were a huge gate of the park and they saw a balloon seller. The balloon seller, he was having a beautiful big smile on his face and he also had a bunch of balloons in his hand of different colors. It was not all the same color. He had a bunch of balloon in his hand of different colors. And also some were big in size, some were small in size, and there were many children. They were standing near the balloon seller. So suddenly Ria, she wanted this balloon. She screamed with full joy. She says that I want pink and yellow balloons. And Rahul says, yes, for me, I want blue and red color. Then Daddy, what he do? He bought the balloons for them and everybody, all four of them, they entered the park. It was a huge park. Children were playing on the soft green grass, red swings, and the yellow slide. The seesaw in the corner was blue in color. So it was not a small park. They entered inside and it was a very big park and all the children were playing on the soft green color grass. So they were sitting and they were playing on the grass and also they were playing with the red swings. Look at here, the swings, it is a swing. So there were red swings and children were playing there and also on the yellow slide. So they were playing with the yellow slides also. And the seesaw. The seesaw was blue in color and it was in the corner. So have you seen the swing, slides or the seesaw in the park? Yes. Have you seen it, children? Yes. Everybody have seen it, right? Yes. And you also have played in this, isn't it? Yes. So it will be having lots of fun, isn't it, children? Playing with this? Yes. So children, on one side there were many flowering plants. Among them were red, white and pink roses. So on the sides. Okay, so on the side, this is a pathway. This is a path. Okay, so this is a path, and on the sides there were many flowering plants, the plants which bear flowers. Okay, so there were many flowering plants, and among them there were red, white and pink roses also. Then, Mummy, what color are these beautiful flowers? Asked Rahul. They are violet flowers, Mummy said. So suddenly Rahul sees the flowers and he asks, Mummy, what color is this? So Mummy says they are the violet flowers. There was an ice cream cart on the other side. Daddy, can we have some ice cream? Asked Ria. Sure. Which flavor would you like to have? Asked Daddy. Ria liked pink color, so she asked for strawberry flavor. Rahul liked all colors, but he asked for vanilla ice cream, which was white in color. They enjoyed the ice cream and played in the park for some time. Then they all returned home happily. So they also saw an ice cream cart, that is ice cream vehicle on the other side. So, ice cream. So, everybody, so all the mouths are watering, isn't it? Yes. So, suddenly Ria says, Daddy, Daddy, can we have an ice cream? So, even you will tell your parents, right? Papa, Papa, can we have an ice cream? Or to your mother, you'll be telling them, right? You'll be asking them the same way. Ria asked her, Daddy, Daddy, can we have some ice cream? Then Daddy says, yes, sure. Which flavor you want? Then Ria says, I like pink color, so I am going to take strawberry flavor. Then Rahul liked all colors. So now he wants vanilla ice cream, and the color of the vanilla ice cream was white color. So they enjoyed the ice cream. They ate ice cream and also they played in the park for some times, and they all returned home happily. Wow, isn't it a fun, children? Yes? Yes, it was a beautiful and a fun lesson, isn't it? Yes. So let us read the difficult words now. Parents, parents, children, children, balloon, balloon, around, around, swing, swing, slide, slide, flower, flower, violet, violet, flavor, flavor, strawberry, strawberry, vanilla, vanilla, happily, happily. So practice the difficult words in your notebook, children. Also read the lesson. Okay, bye-bye.